external stability, you can classify again using this concept, and by common sense pa rin naman, of course, no? Gagalaw ba to kapag ganito, interconnecting rollers, supporting rollers, pero puro parallel naman. So, yeah. Sa determinacy, ganun pa rin. If it is following the rule, may formula tayo, 'di ba? Tinanggal ko na lang muna yung yung sa frame and the beam. So, traces. Diretsoy na natin sa pagkuha ng DI. R plus M minus 2J. Yan ang formula natin. R means external reaction, M means members, and J means joint. Okay? Wala muna tayong number of releases dito, pero kapag nag-solve tayo ng ng determinants, ng reactions dun sa supports ng trusses, merong mga tinatawag tayong compound trusses, di ba? Na connected with the links, connected with the joint, or connected by a series of added members na pwede mong hatiin doon para pwede ka mag-take ng moment doon. Yun yung tinatawag nating equations of condition. No? So, further to explain that, you can read that in our book. So, by the formula DEI is equals to R plus M minus 2J, we should know that if DI is 0, it is statically determinate. If it is greater than 0, of course, indeterminate, and you will get the degree of indeterminacy. Anong degree siya? So, ang gagawin mo lang, yan. Kung positive yung lumabas dito, yun yung degree of indeterminacy niya. But if it is negative, you can say that it is statically unstable. Okay? So, ganun lang din. So, let's try, no? Classify each of the trusses in figures as stable, unstable, statically determinate, or statically indeterminate. So, pwede nga statically unstable. Okay, so the first truss, by observation, mukhang stable. Wala tayong nakikitang hindi triangular dito. So, actually, by observation, this is stable. And also, the supports are pin and a pin and a roller, which is typically not concurrent to each other, not parallel, but a good one. A good example of support. So, externally stable yan. By observation, externally stable. By observation, internally stable also. Okay? Hindi na to katulad nung una natin, no, na pag ito ay classified as truss, hindi mo pwedeng tawaging internal support or internal pin itong mga to, that is joint in na truss, no? Hindi siya kasama din sa ganung classification. So, let us check using formula. So, compute M is equals to 19. Bilangin natin 19 yan. J is 11, R is 3. Using pin 2, roller 1. So, by computation ng internal stability, 2J minus 3 is 19 and M is 19. So, this is equal. So, you can say, by computation, it is also internal stable. By observation, it is also internally stable. But, also, di ba, externally stable. Hindi gumagalaw. Kumbaga, kahit lagyan ko ng load. Okay? Hindi siya mag-act o move. So, pwede natin kunin yung determinacy. So, DI, R plus M minus 2J. So, substitute, it is 0. It is also statically determinate. You can get the reactions using 3 equations of equilibrium. And later on, alam ko familiar kayo sa method of joints and sections. So, you can perform that to know the forces in each member. Next, in figure 2, this is a typical truss. Pwedeng makikita mo to sa mga canopy roofs, no? or pwedeng ano yan, trust ng mga billboards, 'di ba? So, technically, this is complex one, no? Mayroong redundant dito, okay? And series of simple trusses na nagpo-form ng triangular part. So, pag tinanggal ko tong support, okay, internally, 'di ba, pwedeng gumalaw-galaw to kasi smooth to eh. Okay? But there is a support, externally stable yan by observation. And by observation also, internally stable ba siya? Okay? By computation, internally stable siya. Okay? So, M, 15, 9, J, R, 4, 2 pins. So, by formula, internally stable, externally stable. Ayos po. Okay. So, we can also say that this is indeterminate. Why? Kasi nung sinubstitute natin sa DI formula, nagkaroon tayo ng positive answer. So, statically indeterminate at first degree. Next, this figure, by observation. Stable ba siya? Okay. So, may nakikita ba tayong quadrilateral dyan? Okay. So, actually, I can say that this also is stable. But in computation, patunayan natin. So, M is 9, J is 6, R is 3. So, by substitution, internally stable siya. Externally stable din siya kasi dun sa support is ayos lang naman, walang parallel, walang concurrent. And it is also statically determinate. Okay? Next. So, we have the last two. So, obvious na dito na unstable ito. Kasi it doesn't form triangle here. Meron tayong quadrilateral dito. So, pero kung kukumputin natin, also determine that this is internally unstable. So, externally stable pero internally unstable. Okay? DI is statically unstable din siya by computation, negative din lumabas. So. Okay? Pero may mga katulad nung last figure natin na when you classify that by computation, it is internally stable. Kasi interconnected with the numbers here when you place in the formula is equal, but you can determine by observation, hindi to triangle o nakakabuo to ng mga parallel members. Parallel na hindi connected. So, at least sabi nga natin, no, walang ganito sana. Okay? So, you can say that this is not internally stable, but internally unstable. So, napatunayan din natin nung kinompute natin yung DI, 0, statically determinate siya. Pero mali. Sasabihin mo din statically unstable. Kasi nga, unstable na siya internally. Okay? So, siguro naman, naintindihan na natin po. And I want you to read more about this and do the task here. So, try natin gawin ito after watching this. And maganda submit natin ito, okay, para makita natin kung nakikinig o naintindihan po. Okay, kung may mga tanong naman po, pwede kayong mag-ask ng question sa akin. Maraming pong salamat, and putulin muna natin to dito, and susunod natin dyan yung familiarization again and mastery of method of joints and sections for the analysis of process. Magsisend ako ng link ng papasahan nito. So, use templates and ayusin yung sulat. Maraming pong salamat sa panonood at pakikinig.